Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MATR1X project. Now MATR1X is spelled with a 1 instead of an I. And they have dual token economy here. They have the MEXC coin and they have the FIRE token. There may even be more here. They actually have the WEEX coin as well. They have NFTs. They have a lot of stuff going on in this project here. We're going to go over the information on MATR1X in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy these tokens or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, it was just announced on Kucoin's Twitter, at KucoinCom. It says, MATR1X officials FIRE token is available on burning drops. So it says stake KCEX to subscribe. So that is the Kucoin token there. And you can burn KCEX to mine more FIRE airdrops. And there's a subscription period for that. And that is basically starting January 29th. At 9 o'clock and goes until January 29th, 18 o'clock. So you can check that out on Kucoin's Twitter. It's a basically stake to get FIRE airdrops event. So they have the MATR1X FIRE token. And then MATR1X also has the MEXC coin. So if you go over to their Twitter, now their Twitter is right on the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. You'll see this is a very popular project here, 218,700 Twitter followers. Their webpage is on there, matrix.io. It says, let me just verify that is their webpage. Yeah, matrix.io, and MATR1X is always spelled with a 1, just so you know. They have a full link tree there that's basically going to take you anywhere you need to go. And it says here, the first-person shooter mobile game in the metaverse, powered by MATRIX.io and the FIRE token. So 1,620 tweets so far, a lot of info on there, at MATR1X official on Twitter, gold verified, check mark. And in their pinned tweet, it says, what is MATR1X and MATR1X FIRE? MATR1X, a global Web3 entertainment platform, blending multi-episode games, NFT art, esports, online literature, and community. So those are all the things involved. And the MATR1X FIRE is their first game, the first FPS mobile game in the metaverse. They have MMO, RPG, SOC, and dev. And then it says, for more information, check out their white paper at matrix.io/white paper. Now, there's a lot of information on their webpage as well if you're looking for it. There's staking involved here. There's all sorts of things. So it looks like Bingx is one of their partners in staking. You can earn, it says, up to 500% APR. There's a recent repost about that on their Twitter as well. They also retweeted the Kucoin listing there about the airdrop. So you could check all of that out on their Twitter right there. And on their link tree, they have a website. Then they have a link to their Kuku NFTs, the KUKU. And you can find them on Blur or OpenSea. Bunch of NFT collections, at least 6 different collections. Then they have Twitter, Discord, YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, Medium articles, and a Substack that you could check out along with that white paper as well. So MATR1X is the brand of our metaverse platform. It says we plan to build a MATR1X brand through high-quality game products from our own studios and corporate studios, game IP development and corporation, global esports tournaments, online community and DAO, game props, NFTs, marketplace, and blockchain infrastructure such as decentralized exchange, wallet, and DID. So eventually you'll be able to use their own decentralized exchange. Our first epic, Matrix Fire, is the first Web3 FPS mobile game product. Players can play the game for free. The story of Matrix Fire starts on Earth in 2061, where you can team up with your friends and have an exciting PvP shooter experience, including 5v5 classic matchmaking and 60 to 100 player battle royales. And you can also participate in high-level esports tournaments. So they have how to contact the team. You can contact them on Discord, it says, and if you need to open a ticket, you can do that as well. So when will the Matrix Fire game be released? It says here that came out official release, Android, iOS, PC around Q2, Q3 2023. And then the alpha beta tests on Android later on after that. And then we got, or actually those came out prior to that, the beta tests, Q1, Q2 2023. What blockchain is it built on? So Matrix platform will mint game prop assets and token assets in the Polygon public chain. Users can deposit their NFTs on the chain to the Matrix platform and use them in the game, and withdraw the in-game NFTs to the chain at any time to store them for other uses. And it says, yes, players with advanced avatars can obtain Firecoin tokens and cases in various matchmaking game modes. So you can get tokens in the game. All players will initially get common quality avatars for free, and then players can then game freely. And if you want a high quality avatar, you can participate in the process of getting that. And it says there will be 2 tokens involved in the in-game economy. The Firecoin, which is game tokens, and those will be used for various burning mechanics in the game, such as avatar upgrades, case openings, and weapon casting. And then they have the stablecoin USDC as a widely used stablecoin, so they're going to use that in the game as well. And then we have the blockchain section here. So basically, they have something called the MAX coin. So MAX coin is the governance token of the Matrix Fire, but also you can use it for products on the Matrix platform. MAX coin will be issued as an ERC20 token and deployed on Polygon shortly afterwards. The total supply of MAX coin is 1 billion. And then VE Max tokens is produced when you lock the Max tokens, and that will represent governance rights, so you'll be able to vote. And Firecoin is the in-game token with an unlimited supply. Firecoins are used for various burning mechanics such as avatar upgrades, etc. They had NFT airdrops, and yeah, so you can check out this whole project here. Now, the Fire token and Max coin are most likely available on CoinGecko, I would assume, and CoinMarketCap. There's probably, I would say, a list on there of places where you can get the tokens here. So if we look up Matrix, would probably be a good place to start, because then it'll pop up a couple different tokens there. So it pops up the one of them is called Matrix 2061, and then they have Matrix Fire there, the Ethereum token, all sorts of different tokens listed on CoinGecko. You can find them on here. So it has, let's see here, the Matrix one. So Blur, oh, these are the NFTs. So it even has the NFTs listed on here, which is interesting. And yeah, so the Matrix Fire token is most likely listed on here as well. Check that out. So Matrix Fire ETH, there it is right there. Gecko Terminal. So yeah, it is in the Uniswap pool. So you can get this token off of Uniswap. Matrix Fire, it says here. And then it has the price, all sorts of stuff on here. So, Matic, it's they got the Matic one, and then the wrapped ETH pool, all sorts of different links there. You can check out their CoinGecko links on those. And then they have quick audits too on geckoterminal.com that you could go over. It says buy and sell tax is 0, all sorts of stuff here. And yeah, swap on Uniswap for the Ethereum token. So that's a place you can get it. But yeah, go check out their webpage. I mean, obviously, there's some Kucoin stuff going on right now that you could check out and get involved with that if you like. They're partners with Bingx as well. Check out Bingx. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Matrix? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Do you think it's a cool game? What do you think? Leave a comment down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.